I'm Shannon Sims, and here are your TMJ4 news headlines. The state's top doctor says Wisconsin is in a crisis on the coronavirus as some hospitals near capacity and health departments become overwhelmed.
We are in a crisis right now. Turning the corner on this requires that we do things dramatically different than what we're doing. We're setting records now at a point which is the beginning of respiratory virus season. The likelihood that this is going to get much worse before it gets better is a real one.
6 months into the pandemic, the state is struggling to flatten the curve. The state health department reported more than 2,300 new coronavirus cases Tuesday. Also, 17 new deaths, the most of any single day in Wisconsin since May. There are now more than 20,000 active cases in our state. That number has nearly tripled since September 2nd. A record 646 people are currently being treated in Wisconsin hospitals for COVID-19. The worst hotspot in the state right now is in northeastern Wisconsin. Belling Hospital in Green Bay says it is running out of beds. They are being forced to use contingency plans like staging overflow patients in hallways. On top of that, more than 100 staff members are in quarantine for exposure to COVID-19.
We have no excess capacity, and to have 150 people out on quarantine severely limits our ability to adequately care for this surge. It's a big problem.
Both Manitowoc and Door County's health departments say that they can no longer keep up with contact tracing. They are asking people who test positive to reach out to their direct contacts themselves and advise them to quarantine. And you can find coronavirus testing sites near you along with a county-by-county breakdown of numbers right on our webpage, tmj4.com/coronavirus. Now let's go to meteorologist Brian Goddard for a check of the weather.
Tuesday was a fall day. Temperatures in the 50s, a little breeze, and it was dreary. Overnight, partly cloudy, chilly once again. After temperatures only in the 50s, we're going to drop into the low to mid 40s overnight. A little bit warmer along the lake by just a few degrees at 48. A little bit of sunshine to start your Wednesday, and then clouds quickly roll in by mid-morning ahead of a cold front that'll bring rain showers. And so there'll be scattered showers between about 10 and 2, and then just windy. We're going to see winds gusting to 35 miles per hour tomorrow. 62 degrees is the high. 55 with rain likely and still breezy on Thursday. Frost in the morning in the inland areas on Friday, a high of 52. Everyone should see frost on Saturday, and Sunday looks rainy. Let's look at your forecast. Here's some local news.